In this episode of Cobb TV, we are going to learn how to play the drum beat that nobody plays right, and that is the drum beat to Pumped Up Kicks by Foster the People. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. Now, quick backstory. Mark Foster, the founder of the band, actually recorded Pumped Up Kicks all on his own. He was working at a music studio that focused on writing jingles for commercials, and one day he thought, I can either stay here and record a song or I can go to the beach, and he decided to stay and record Pumped Up Kicks. The thing about this drum beat is most people follow what the bass is doing with the bass drum, including the live drummers. And the thing is it's just a 4-bar loop, and that's not what's going on. Is we're not following what the bass is doing. We're kind of standing our own ground here. And if you listen to the isolated drum track, you can hear exactly what the drums are doing without the extra percussion and electric drum pads and all that stuff that's going on in the song. So first, the hi-hat pattern. It's mostly straight eighth notes, but we're doing something a little different from our conventional beats. We're actually accenting what the bass drum notes are playing on the hi-hat, and we're leaving out a couple eighth notes. We're leaving out an eighth note on the and of 1 of the first bar and on the and of 2 of the last bar. With our kick and snare pattern, what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And when we play the 3 kick drum notes in a row, we actually ghost the last one as best as we can. That last one is played a little bit quieter than the others in the 4-bar loop. Let's put it together. And as for the intro, we're playing 1.5 bars of normal time like we are in the rest of the song, but for our drum fill, we're going to we're still keeping time, but we're moving our right hand from the rack tom down to the floor tom. And we're playing the same kick drum pattern that we are playing at the very end of the 4-bar loop. And there you have it. That's how you play the drum beat to Pumped Up Kicks by Foster the People. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give the video a like if you did, and subscribe for more epic musical content. But in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.